So in that way, I think the House, the Senate, and Capitol Hill are all the same idea, the same basic idea. And that is it goes to that chamber. But what it really goes to in that chamber is a committee, a specific committee. So actually, the next step is committee.
So what if I put number 4 here and committee is the more specific?
Well, I think
Or
it's
do you
just
want
a
me to
little
just put-
confusing because the congressperson is on Capitol Hill. And
Sure.
so we're being a little redundant
being
there as far as
redundant?
steps, yeah.
Okay.
And so, but where it goes to, and it's already starting in one house, right? Every piece of legislation has to start in a house. It either starts in the House or it starts in the Senate. And then eventually it has to go to the other house. But depending on the bill and depending on what representative you're talking about, that's what determines what house it goes to. But the next step, once it becomes a bill and it's presented to the House, it then goes to the committee.
Do you guys know what is meant by committee? Does anybody want to hazard a guess or a thought about what we mean by committee? Dylan?
Isn't it just like a group of people who are educated on a certain topic and like qualified to make a group decision on something that people are discussing?
We hope that they're qualified, but a lot of times in Washington D.C., certain committees have more power than others. So a lot of times it has to do with prestige and connections and backroom dealings. But essentially, a committee deals with certain topics. So we have like the Senate Foreign Relations Committee, Ways and Means is another committee. So we sort of divide up what happens in the legislature into committees, groups of people who sort of specialize on that topic. So that's committees 101. So what happens after it leaves committee, which means the committee has released the draft that we're now working with the language